This is the absolute must-have upgrade for any Bambu printer, and that's because the original light, well, it's a little bit naff. So today, we're upgrading it. It's very straightforward and easy to do it and requires no extra hardware. Simply remove the top, access the original wiring, and unplug the old light. Clip on the new light, which is held in by magnets, and then use the adapter board to connect the wiring to it. Peel off the sticky back, stick the adapter board, and then the last bit of thing is just tidy that wiring up with a little bit of tape. And there you have it, ready to put back on a shelf and start printing again. What do you think? Before and after? I know what I prefer. We'll catch you on the next one. Ta-ra!